Here we go. This is the Pretzel Boli, Pizza Shop Gold. This item is very unique and easy to do. Take your 1-pound dough ball, stretch it out by hand just like you do every day in a pizza shop with your normal dough ball. Same technique. You'll be able to hand slap it. You can use a press or a wheel. Stretch it out. It'll stretch to approximately 16 inches. Shape it up, kind of like a shoebox. Now that you've had it nice and relaxed and open, here we go. We're going to take some ham. 3 pieces of ham as a base. That'll help you fold it over and keep its shape. And also a very unique ham and cheese pretzel flavor is a traditional Pennsylvania soft pretzel item. Now that we have the ham laid out, let's lay out some of this mozzarella cheese. A nice light layer. You don't want to have it too cheesy, take away from the pretzel flavor. Now you can add a little bit of American cheese, and as I've stated in previous videos, when you add American cheese to the mozzarella, it gives you that comfort of the stretch of the mozzarella along with the creaminess of American cheese. Top it off with just 2 more pieces. You've noticed I didn't use a lot of protein, only 5 slices. Pinch the ends. Come over like a legal envelope, about a 1/3 flip. Now that you have it relaxed, stretch it over and come all the way over. 4 fingers or so, and you'll notice I still have a few inches left over. Take the leftover, fold it back underneath, pinch it tight, flip it, and give the ends a nice little seal and trim. Save the pieces, put them in your side bucket, keep them in your cooler. You can always fry these or bake these and come up with unique items. Now that we saved the pieces, and we have the item ready to go, it can bake in any oven between 300 degrees to 900 degrees. It'll take approximately 5 to 8 minutes depending on the oven. Go ahead and put your browner. Once you put your browner, hit it with the salt. Take your cutter, put the air pockets in. That'll let everything breathe out and not get too moist inside. And there you go. Once it's baked, you bring the item back out, put the butter on there, give it a nice spread. That will bring out its color and give you that creamy butter flavored pretzel that people thrive for. And there you go. There's the Pretzel Boli.